Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to provide a quick update regarding adding all of the Ohuhu color codes to my previous videos. I know I had mentioned in my post section of my channel that I was going to start adding them to all of my videos that have alcohol markers, and I have completed that. They are now in all of those videos. And the way YouTube works is it's not like I can just overlay a little text box on the video, which would be super awesome. They don't let you do that. So what I have done is added an info card, and I put one up here in the video in this corner so that you can see how it works. So when you get to a certain section in the video where I start talking about the colors that I'm using for my markers, you'll see a little I, like literally the letter I in a circle. It'll show up in this corner and you just click it and it will drop you down into the description of that video exactly where all of those color codes are. And what I've done is I've listed both the Copic and Ohuhu next to each other, so it's really easy for you to reference in the video the Copic marker I'm using and the Ohuhu counterpart that you would want to use if you're using the Ohuhu brand. So I hope this helps with those who want to use Ohuhu and start coloring along with me but don't use Copic. So now you don't have to worry because all of the Ohuhu codes are there for all of those videos. So now that I own all of the Ohuhu and Copic line of markers, I was thinking of making a color comparison list so that way you can see which Ohuhu marker matches which Copic. And I wasn't sure if that's something that everyone would find useful. If it is, definitely drop me a note in the comments or send me a message through my Etsy store and just let me know, because your feedback really helps me decide what things I should build and create and provide for everyone so that their coloring experience can be just that much better. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.